Now I'm going to show you how to program the RFID tags that come with the OSI alarm system. The RFID tags attach to your keychain that you carry around with you. It's a simple way of arming and disarming the alarm system without having to enter the passcode. So before exiting or entering the house, all you need to do is wave the RFID tag close to the OSI logo located on the bottom left side of the alarm display. The alarm system comes with 2 RFID tags, but you can order more if you wish, and there's no limit as to how many RFID tags you can use with this alarm system. Programming the RFID tags only takes a few seconds. Just follow these steps and ensure you have the RFID tags in your hand at this point. On the display, select Menu. Then select Parts. Select RFID. Then select the plus icon located on the bottom right corner to add a new RFID tag. It will go to a new screen with a 20-second countdown. Hold the RFID tag close to the OSI logo located on the bottom left corner until you see a pop-up message on the screen that says Learning OK. And that's it, you've now programmed your RFID tag. So now let's do a quick test. Hold the RFID tag at least 1 inch away from the OSI logo and it should arm the alarm system. Then do it again a second time and it should now disarm the alarm system. Repeat these steps for every additional RFID tag.
Well, we hope this video helped you out. All the products you see here are available on Amazon.com and Amazon.ca. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave your question below and we'll be sure to answer it as soon as possible. My name is Brandon Paris and thank you for watching.